Hello, welcome to Body Tips. Today we are going to learn about how to keep our eyes healthy. If you are not yet subscribed, then subscribe now. Your eyes are a precious asset and taking care of them should be a top priority. If you are experiencing eye strain, irritation, or other eye-related issues, here are some tips on how to heal your eyes. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can cause eye fatigue, strain, and dryness. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to give your eyes time to rest and recharge. Use the 2-0-2-0-2-0 rule. If you spend a lot of time looking at screens, such as computers or smartphones, take regular breaks using the 2-0-2-0-2-0 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds to give your eyes a break. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently, avoid touching your eyes, and regularly clean your contact lenses, if applicable, to prevent infections and irritation. Use artificial tears. If you are experiencing dry eyes, use artificial tears to keep your eyes lubricated and prevent further irritation. Be sure to choose a product that's preservative-free and safe for your eyes. Wear protective eyewear. If you work in an environment with hazardous materials, or participate in sports or activities that pose a risk to your eyes, wear protective eyewear such as goggles or safety glasses. Adjust your lighting. Make sure the lighting in your workspace is adequate and free of glare. Position your computer screen to avoid reflections and adjust the brightness and contrast to reduce eye strain. Eat a healthy diet. A diet rich in vitamins and nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin C, and vitamin E, can help prevent age-related eye diseases and promote eye health. Visit an eye doctor regularly. Regular eye exams can help detect eye problems early on and prevent further damage. Be sure to schedule an eye exam at least once a year, or as recommended by your eye doctor. Taking care of your eyes is essential for maintaining good eye health and preventing eye-related problems. By following these tips and adopting healthy habits, you can promote healing and maintain healthy eyes for years to come.